Imagine turning your social media management agency into a revenue machine that's 10 times faster and way more profitable. And that's possible today thanks to AI. My name is Anna, I'm an AI expert and marketer, founder of an AI consultancy, and creator of an AI startup in advertising. Today, I will share the exact system my clients use to save time, cut costs, and scale their revenue like never before by implementing AI exactly the way I will teach you today, in just 5 steps. So the first step is strategy creation. You know how exhausting it is to create the marketing strategy for social media. Imagine having a high converting strategy done in minutes, not hours. But here's the secret. It's all about asking the right question and actually nail down your prompt. Because tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and others becomes your personal strategy machine only once you know how to use the right prompt, and then they can actually do the work for you. But here's where most people mess up. They do not use it properly. They don't know what is prompt engineering is. And second, they stop using AI here after just generating the strategy. But you can also increase your effectiveness by creating a presentation for your clients also with AI. Usually turning that strategy into a polished professional pitch takes forever. But with tools like Gamma, you can turn your AI-generated strategy into a stunning presentation in minutes. Professional, polished, ready to blow up your client's mind. Alright, step number 2, content planning and generation. Let's be real, planning in months of worth of content is a grind. You sit there brainstorming, writing captions, picking hashtags. That's a slow, painful process. But with AI, it's a total game changer. Imagine generating weeks of content in minutes. And this is possible. It's all about how you prompt the AI. When you know what to ask and how to actually craft your perfect prompt, with the tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, they will give you everything. Catchy captions, optimizing hashtags, engaging copy, basically content on demand. It's not just about saving time. It's all about making your content strategy smarter and more consistent. If you want to get the absolute most of this process, I'll show you how to master it inside my course. The exact prompts, frameworks, and techniques my clients use to scale their agencies that actually skyrocket in revenue and get right now 10x more than before. Link is below. Step number 3, visual and video content generation. Normally, creating top visuals and videos would mean booking photo shoots, hiring expensive videographers, and spending hours editing. But now, you can generate stunning realistic visuals instantly and of course spend less time for the same tasks like editing and so on. Tools like Sora and Leonardo AI do heavy lifting for you, to be honest, producing great images and videos that look like they came straight out of the Pro Studio. Imagine cloning your client's voice to create authentic voiceovers without them ever lifting a finger. Suddenly, you're delivering premium content faster than ever, and guess what? Your clients love it. They are paying a premium for this experience because you're making their lives easier, delivering killer results. You're taking heavy time-consuming tasks off their shoulders, freeing them to focus on what matters most. Now, let's talk about how to put this all together and make it work like a money printing machine. Step number 4, script writing and long-form content. AI've got you covered. From script writing to visuals and even voiceovers, the magic happens when you know how to prompt it right. Because honestly, if you just let AI do everything without guidance, you end up with cringy, low-quality content that nobody wants to watch. But when you find the sweet spot using AI to enhance, not replace your creativity, here's the best part. Your engagement doesn't just stay high, it skyrockets. We are only getting started. The final step is where everything comes together. Content scheduling and automation. What if I told you that your entire month's content could be scheduled in seconds? With tools like Buffer and different alternatives, you can set up everything up to run on autopilot. I get it, it's not the flashiest part of the process, and maybe you already know about that, but here's the thing, consistency is everything, and that's why I have to tell about that. When your content machine runs without you constantly cracking the wheel, that's when you get real freedom. You create once, schedule it all, let AI to take care of the rest. It's efficient, and it's consistent. And that's it. 5 steps to turn your social media management agency into a revenue-generated powerhouse. But I did promise you a bonus tip. So here's the secret sauce: AI-driven advertising management. Yes, you've heard me right. The real money for most of social media agencies comes from advertising and targeting. If you ever run ads yourself, you know how exhausting it is to constantly tweak, optimize, and chase the highest return of ad spend. It's a time-consuming and honestly, it can get overwhelming. But what if I told you that there is a better way? What if you had an AI agent managing your campaigns 24/7, fine-tuning them and generating a killer result, and you don't need to hire additional people? That's exactly what my team and I have been working on. We've built an AI agent that does it all. And the case studies we've seen has been absolutely insane. We are talking about higher return of ad spend, more conversions without you breaking a sweat. So if you're ready to take your agency to the next level, make your process 10 times faster, and start seeing results like never before, all you need to do is follow the link below. Plus, if you are interested in this AI agent for advertising, which can set up, manage, and give even reports, so everything without human in the loop, then also check the link below. And I know that building a business is super tough. For 5 years, I've learned a lot. If you want to hear my lessons of building AI business and being a marketer, then check out the next video, and I'm sure that you will learn from my mistakes.